Hello everyone, welcome to my part 2 video of basics to advanced Revit architectural tutorials. I am Manoj Basavaraju. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at civilengineering.hints. You can mail me at civilengineering.hints@gmail.com. Let's start. We were talking about Revit architectural we were talking about Revit uses, Revit file types. Let's go in deep to each Revit file types in order to have a good knowledge before we start using Revit. A project file is an information. It contains information about building model such as size and location of the building components, materials used, annotations, and etc. Display settings in the project file defines the appearance of the model in the project views. Based on the requirements, one can customize the default settings of the project. The project file is based on a template that provides initial settings such as material and display settings. Templates can be customized and project can be started without using a template. What is a project template? Project template helps to start the project with the standard view settings and standard buildings levels and model components such as system families, for example columns, beams, walls, doors, windows, and so on. A template can be selected from a template library or by saving a project as a template. Views. The views and the control of the view is very important in the Revit architecture because modeling of one such building is a visual application of a knowledge and information. Starting without a template. How can we start a Revit project without using a template? It is possible in Revit architecture to start a project without a template, but the template but this project will only consist a one level in plan views and in ceiling views without loaded with the components like doors and windows and levels. Each elevation views are not available in this particular project. Families. A family is a group of elements with a common set of properties called parameters and related graphical representation. The variations within the families are called family types and types. For example, a furniture category family includes families and the family types that can be used to create a pieces of a furniture. Like if we take a dining table, a desk is one family, chairs could be another family, and cabinets can be another family. But at the end, all of them will have same set of properties, same set of parameters, but with the different values embedded in them. A family can be a nested family. In such cases, a family is loaded inside a family. Like I gave an example of a dining table. In this case, a dining table can be made by a desk, a table, and chairs, where chairs and tables can be a nested family within the family. What are system families? The types of families, if I say, a type of families are system families, loaded families, and in place families. System families are a preset from Revit architecture, are essential for any modeling discipline like walls, roofs, floors, ducts. Ducts are channels in the map model, pipes, sheets, levels, grids, and electrical trays. Loaded families are the commonly type of families that are created by one architect in order to finish the model. These families are windows, doors, furniture, plantings, annotations, symbols, and mechanical equipments, and so on. There's many families in case of loaded families. In place families are similar to cast in situ components, like but inside the Revit. The family is modeled in place inside the project file directly without being loaded as a loaded family. So these are the information that I wanted to share about the file types. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at civilengineering.ints, or you can mail your questions during the course in the comment section of the video, or you can also mail me at civilengineering.hints@gmail.com. So thank you.